If you have diabetes, the question for you is, will your life be a slow, painful decline into wreck and ruin, or a commitment to hope and healthy living? What's it going to be? First of all, let's get a better understanding of the problem at hand. Diabetes is the disease state where your blood sugars rise to dangerously high levels. High blood sugars are funny. They don't hurt, but with enough time, they can kill you. Do nothing to treat them and you're more likely to suffer blindness, kidney failure, amputations, heart disease, strokes, and a much too short life. Diabetes is the leading cause of all these maladies in the United States. It's elevated blood sugar, or more specifically glucose, that's causing all this wreck and ruin. Our cells use glucose as a source for energy. In the similar way that gas fuels our cars, glucose fuels our cells. And like gasoline, glucose can be a dangerous fuel. Glucose, it turns out, is sticky. It's a sweet syrup. It sticks to molecules in our body like glue. It damages our cells. Some cells in our body are more susceptible to this kind of sticky damage. Our eyes, kidneys, nerves, and blood vessels are especially sensitive to glucose damage. That explains the increase in blindness, kidney failure, amputations, and heart disease and strokes that's seen with chronically increased blood glucose. So blood glucose regulation is important. Not enough glucose and you run out of gas. Too much and you're likely to die a painful, horrible death. The trick to surviving diabetes intact is to keep your blood glucose levels even. The very best way to do that is to eat the right foods and exercise. This is a good time to review that list of horrible diseases earlier, like amputations, blindness, and such. Remember, there's a lot at stake here. Here are the 5 top things you can do to treat diabetes. Number 1, eat 5 handfuls of vegetables and fruit daily. Vegetables help keep blood sugar levels balanced. A handful is as much as you can hold in your hand. 2, eat protein with every meal. Protein prevents blood sugar spikes. Eggs, fish, and lean meats are best. Soy and beans are super good. Bacon and cured meats are problematic. While they do help keep blood sugars even, they also contribute to increased risk of colon and stomach cancer. Portion size should be between 1 and 1/2 palm sizes. Use your own palm to gauge the portion size. The nice thing about using your own palm to measure with is that it's always close at hand. Get it? Hand? Anyways. 3, exercise and stay active. Daily exercise lowers blood sugars even when you aren't exercising. 4, avoid eating after 8 p.m. Late foods are more likely to become stored as fat. 5, avoid concentrated refined carbohydrates. Sugar and wheat together, like pastries, cookies, brownies, and such, is a killer combination for jacking up your blood sugars, but any concentrated carbs are the worst kinds of foods for keeping your blood sugars balanced. Whole grains are better, but don't eat more than a palm-sized portion at any meal. The good news is that diabetes is very treatable. In fact, the very best treatment is what you can do for yourself. This is Dr. Scott Looper reminding you to go out and create your best life.